Kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Ithokwe kaunti-inĩ ya Kitui nĩkuo mũingĩ wĩyumĩrĩtie kũnyitanĩra mambura-inĩ ma gũkũngũĩra njamba cia bũrũri ma mashujaa. President William Ruto ũrĩa ũtongoretie mambura maya ahũthĩrĩte mweke ũyũ gũtarĩria Kenya mũbango wake wĩgiĩ ũthii wa nambere wa bũrũri ũrĩa augĩte wambĩtwo mũthingi-inĩ wa itugĩ ithatũ kĩa mbere arĩ bũrũri gũkũria irio cia kũigana.
A nation that cannot feed itself, ladies and gentlemen, is not a nation that can claim to be free or sovereign. The only viable path available for us towards this goal now, fellow citizens, is through the expansion of irrigation and the modernization of our agriculture. Rain-fed farming can no longer sustain our growing population or our aspirations. That is why we have now set an ambitious target to build at least 50 mega dams across Kenya and to bring at least 2 million acres under irrigation.
President oho ni ataririe bata wa gũkũria iganda akiuga ĩno nĩ njĩra ya gũtura mĩeke ya mawĩra.
To transform Kenya into a prosperous, job-creating, wealthy nation, we must become a country that makes things, not merely buys or imports them. A country that exports finished products, not raw materials. A country where industries absorb labor, spur innovation, and expand wealth across every region. We are already laying the foundation for this transformation. Through the Africa Growth and Industrialization Initiative, and in partnership with the Afri-Exim Bank, we are establishing special economic zones in different parts of Kenya, in Rea Vipingo, in Dongo Kundu, in Naivasha, in Sagana, in Thika, in Nakuru, in Eldoret, in Busia, in Kisumu, and many other special economic zone areas that we are finding land.
Wagatatu na ũrĩa President Ruto augĩte nĩ wa bata nĩ gũkinyanĩria waki wa tabarĩra itiganĩte ta barabara nĩguo bũrũri ũkũre na ihenya.
Baba, who also served as a Minister for Roads and Public Works and Housing under the late President Kibaki, often reminded me that no economy can flourish without world-class infrastructure. It is in this context that we have committed to dual at least 1,000 kilometers of major highways, including the Rironi, Nakuru, Mau Summit, Eldoret, Malaba Road, Makutano, Embu, Meru Road, Kitengela, Namanga Road, Mombasa, Nairobi Highway, and Maroa, Nanyuki, Isiolo roads, among others, and construct an additional 10,000 kilometers of new tarmac roads linking counties, linking farmers, traders, and manufacturers to markets across the nation, and complete the standard gauge railway from Naivasha to Kisumu and onward to Malaba, seamlessly connecting Kenya to Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and DRC, the very heart of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area dream.
Kaunti ya Kitui kũrĩa mambura maya ma mashujaa matabanĩirio ĩtigĩtwo na kĩondo kĩa mawega matongoretio nĩ kĩharo kĩrĩa mambura maya matabanĩirio.
Tulijenga kama serikali ya Kenya, tumeweka hapa milioni 750 tujenge hii stadium na bado haijakamilika. Tangojea pengine mwezi moja ikikamilika, tumejenga kila mahali, tumeweka parking mzuri, nitakuja kufungua rasmi ikiwa imekamilika. Na ni kwa sababu tunafanya hivi sio Ukambani peke yake. Tunafanya hivi katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Hamwe na mangĩ marĩa aikari a Kitui matanyĩtwo kũgunĩka namo nĩ waki wa nyũmba cia thogora wa thĩ ũndũ ũmwe na gũtambĩrio thitima mĩciĩ-inĩ yao.
Hapa vile kiongozi governor amesema kuna barabara tulisema tumetengeneza. Kuna zingine zimekamilika, kuna zingine bado. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie yale yote ambayo tuliweka katika mpango yetu tutakamilisha kwa sababu tunataka wakati tunabadilisha Kenya, pia Ukambani inabadilika.
Gutafanio kwa igongona riri ria mambura ma mashujaa guku kaunti-ini ya Kitui gutigite aikari makirahira mawega matiganite. Riri ari igeria ria thirikari ria guthie na mbere na gutigirira ati uthii wa na mbere ni watamba matura-ini na Akenya othe ni magea na mweke wa kunyitanira hari gukungwira mambura ma kibururi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi kiharo-ini kia Ithokwe kaunti-ini ya Kitui. Njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.